Despite a resemblance to domestic dog puppies, wolf pups display greater aggression, revealing the innate wildness that makes wolves inappropriate as pets. The crew notices that the black pup, Shamuk, explores mostly on her own, as mischievous as her brother and sister, but more solitary in nature.
Okay, you guys, maybe this will keep you out of trouble. Come on. Come on.
As if foreshadowing the more severe competition to come, the puppies clash over a food bowl as if it were a fresh kill. Before joining the adult pack, the puppies are moved into a fenced area surrounding the tents. They begin to establish their own hierarchy. But the adult wolves ensure that the skirmishes remain harmless, and a warning arises if things escalate. Pups, now almost 7 weeks old, begin to learn from their own kind. The individual personalities now emerging will soon determine their roles in the pack.